everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Today I have my update for Nightmare on Panning Street. This was created by Val and Jaylon. Their deets are going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined in, and a ton of people have joined into this. It is a PANtastic Ladies collab. It is a year-long. It goes from Halloween of last year to Halloween of this year, and it's all about horror movies, which I happen to love. I wish I could join in on their movie nights. They do those and they watch them all together. But yeah, timing with my kids and everything, it's not working out for me. But rest assured, I do watch my horror movies. I love them. I love them lots. They have 40 movies represented here, and each one of those movies has a specific prompt with it. And a lot of people are doing this like rolling roulette style. I'm just like progressing. I started at the top. I brought in 13. It seemed like an appropriate number. And I bring in 3 every update so that I can get through all 40 prompts. I don't want to miss any because they're a lot of fun. And yeah, so that's how I'm working this one. As of last update, I only had 1 empty. It's okay. It's okay. I now have 2 empties. So I have 1 more to show you for this update. And I am happy that Friday the 13th is done, and that is a summer themed item. I have a lotion bar, which is technically not a summer theme, but it's Caribbean Breeze scented, and that just reminds me of summer because I used to always vacation in the Caribbean and I loved it. It feels like summer all the time, and I would go every single year. I'd go to Puerto Rico, República Dominicana. I loved it. I loved it so much, and I wish I was there. It's like 18 degrees outside right now. There's snow on the ground. I would give anything to go to the Caribbean right now or to have summer. So that is an empty for me. I am happy. I'm happy. I have other lotion bars that I'm working on. It's all good. All right, so let's get into what is continuing on in here. The first one is the ring, an item you want to expose the ring on the pan. I have Tarte Party. It looks like this, and you can definitely see I am making some serious progress over there. I'm not sure how to interpret this prompt. Am I just exposing part of the ring, or do I need to expose the entirety of the ring? I would like to know that. I need to ask Val and Jaylon. I'm going to message them, and I'm going to find out if it's exposing part of the ring or the entire ring. Some of these things you have to know the answer to. All right, moving on to Halloween. That is a set of sheet masks or a full-size or deluxe-sized mask. That I don't have any progress on. We're just going to skip right over that one. The Conjuring. You don't know what possessed you to purchase this item. This is the LA Girl Peach Color Corrector. Peach is for dark circles under the eyes. I don't really get them. I don't get them. When I don't sleep, I get more of like a yellow tint, which is why I have lavender. I see everyone saying they need a peach color corrector, but I don't have the problem that you need a peach color corrector for. I've actually been using it to like clean up around my brows in case I get a little too crazy with my brow brush. And that's how I've been using it because I don't know how else to use it at this point. Let's see. Next up is A Quiet Place. It is a product that makes you speechless. And when I'm putting this on, I can't talk. So that makes me speechless. This is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. You can see my lines here. Very slow progress. I am right there. Though I kind of feel like there's a small air bubble in there. Not a big one, just a little one. So I might have a slightly better progress on it. But I will take it. As you can see, I've been using it pretty steadily, and we would like to keep it going that way. I like it. I do really like it. The Exorcist, something that makes your head spin with delight. Yeah. It's always hair products with me. I love my hair products. The Natural Mother's Natural Sicilian Blood Orange and Blackcurrant Butter Mask. This isn't my absolute favorite butter mask. That's the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom. But this one is good. I was here last time. Now I'm here. Yeah, big difference on that. I definitely think this is going to be an empty for the next update. It's going to be. I'm sure of it. The Invisible Man, something that erases primer, concealer, foundation, powder, etc. That is my Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte. No progress on that one, so we are skipping. I'm going to skip that. All right, next one. Psycho, a product that makes you crazy. The product itself doesn't. The application does. This is one where you shake it up, you use this thing right here, you shake it up, and then you like tilt it out in your hand and put it all over. I don't like things on my hands. I use brushes or sponges, spray bottles, anything I can, whenever I can, because I just don't like stuff on my hands. I'm weird, I know. It's a tactile thing. I've passed it on to my children, apparently. I don't like things under my nails. I don't like things stuck between my fingers. I don't like that feeling on my hands. So, like, the application drives me crazy. I actually put a little bit in a spray bottle, like a small spray bottle, and just enough to basically use for a couple of days, and put it in that, and that's how I apply it. I'm just like, spritz it all over my face, because it literally drives me crazy to put things in my hands. Kind of grosses me out a little bit. I know, I'm weird. Skipping. A Nightmare on Elm Street. Who doesn't know this movie? I chose, wait a minute, it's a dupe for an item you dream about purchasing. I explained in my intro, this isn't exactly a dupe of something that I dream about. I was dreaming about them being cruelty-free, which they weren't. The Benefit Gimme Brow, I wish they were cruelty-free, but so instead I have the Essence Make Me Brow, which I like. It's just not quite the right color for me. I should have weighed this at the intro. I didn't, so I've weighed it now, and it is currently 8 grams, so hopefully I can, you know, show some kind of progress in some way or another. All right, next one, the Omen 666. It gives me chills just to say that number. Use 6 pans in a palette 6 times. I chose a 6-pan palette to make it real daggone easy. This is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Glow. So pretty. So pretty. So let me tell you where I am with these. This first shade I have used once. This bright orange I have used 3 times. This one I have used once. This right here, this light orange I've used 3 times. The glitter I've used 2 times, and then this one right here I've used 4 times. Hopefully I will have all of those usages done by the next update. That is my goal. I can do it. I can do it. Next, Ebonyville Horror, a product that haunts you. This one, this is the, like, I don't even remember. It's the Shop Miss A. It is a highlighter palette. There's nothing wrong with it. I didn't order it. I ordered empty palettes, and they sent me 3. Actually, they sent me 4. I gave 1 away of these palettes, and it haunts me because they're in my inventory when I didn't order them, and I never did get my empty palette, so that just haunts me, and it's going to haunt me till they're gone. Some of those, I want to finish it, all 6 of them, by the end of this project. I can tell you right now, probably the pink is going to either get frankened or put in a lotion. Same with this bright gold. I think the gold will look great in a lotion, as well as probably this dark one right here. So I really can only use these. But if you look at this, I've definitely been making some usage, or some progress. That's the word. Progress on this white one, though it's a little icy for me, but I have been using it. I just want to get them done so I don't have to think about it anymore. The Shining Twins, an item for which you have a backup. This guy right here. Wow, dry throat. The Avon Pore Reducer Mask. I'm making massive progress. And I can tell there's a big air bubble in there. And I think I had to mark it here because that's as far as it bends, though the sides are starting to cave in here, so this is definitely going to be done by the next update. It's going to be done. I love it. And just a little tip for those of you that have masks like this and you just don't feel like putting them on. It's just a hassle at night or whenever. Whether you shower in the morning or shower at night, take that 10 to 15 minutes before you shower. Put your mask all over your face. Go pick out your clothes, whatever you do before you get into the shower, get your stuff ready. I always set out like my clothes, my deodorant, my lotion, my perfume. I have it all laying out on my bed. While your mask is drying on your face, then you can rinse it off in the shower while you're in there. It is so easy, and it's not a hassle like it would be if you're just putting it on, sitting, waiting for it to get done. Go wash it off at the sink or whatever. Just trust me, do it before you shower. You will thank me later. All right, next, let's get on to this. Children of the Corn. It's a food-related item. This one, and I just want to eat it. It smells so good. This is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I have very, very little left. I have marked the lines here. Like I was here before, now I'm down here. I love this stuff so much. I do. I love it. It very well could be done by the next update. I'm thinking it probably will be. And the last one that's carrying over, Paranormal Activity. It's an item that never seems to disappear, unlike my words. This is the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. I attempted to finish this last year. There's not that much in it, and it's still, like, I went from the red to the black line here, and it just keeps going. It keeps going and going and going, like the Energizer Bunny. I will finish it this year. If I have to eat it, it's going to be done this year. I'm not really going to eat it. That would be gross. All right. So I'm bringing in the next 3 prompts. Yikes. The Blair Witch Project. That is something black, like an eyeshadow, an eyeliner, mascara, etc., 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 is what the suggestions are. I took those suggestions and I threw them out the window. I'm doing something completely different. And it's kind of a play on the word black. I know, stretching it a little bit, but a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. So I'm bringing in the Plant Guru African Black Soap. Yeah. It's in the name. It is in the name. It is not technically black, though there's a few black pieces in there. I believe that is plantain skin that is in this, if it's truly made the proper way. So yeah, my goal is to finish this entire brick. I love this stuff. I love it. If you've never tried African black soap, it's good stuff. All right, next, Scream, an item that makes you scream in delight. Yeah, I don't really scream in delight about a lot of things, but I do absolutely love my hair stuff. You know I love my hair stuff. So if anything's going to make me scream, it's a good hair product. So I'm bringing in some more Shea Moisture. Yeah, it's the cousin of this guy right here. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. It is... This one smells like pure coconut, where this one smells more like pineapple. Together, you got a pina colada, and I just want to eat it. And yes, my goal is going to be to finish this one. Next, Alien, something that is one of a kind. An alien in your collection. Since I'm already working on Alien perfume for Movie Madness, I couldn't actually put Alien in here because, yeah, even though I have 2 of them, one is full-sized and I'm not about to put it in. So I'm bringing in something that is definitely an alien in my collection. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. It's an alien because I don't even know where it goes in my collection. I just have like a weird category of eye pencils because it's not an eyeliner. It's not really an eyeshadow. It's not technically an eye base. It just is. It exists. It's weird. It's an alien. So my goal is going to be to finish it. I know that's not going to happen, but we'll just see what kind of progress I can get by the end of this project. We'll see if I can make some good progress on that. Whew. Definitely go check out Val on Instagram. Jaylon, she is on YouTube and Instagram. Everyone else that's joined in, if you want to join in, we would love to have you. We would, in this panning craziness. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.